service function, much quicker. And I'm gonna find oil change, brake acid, drinking operator, crash language, sensor, oil maintenance reset. Okay. Now it's diagnosing the car, finding the car, auto win, or I had to turn the ignition on. I'm gonna go back, start this process again. I've never done this with this diagnostic tool. I used to have 129 SRP, I guess was the name. Now we are going to find the car, Subaru in my case. Switch ignition on, it's already on. Engine oil change. Yes, the oil rate is reset. Please wait the oil. That's it. If you don't reset it, it might get wrong dilution level and it might ruin your car. It's better to reset it. I never had any